Lenovo ThinkPad P14s Gen 4. Perfect for modern professionals, educators, and students, the Lenovo ThinkPad P14s Gen 4/14 Intel mobile workstation is our thinnest and lightest. Packaged in a 35.56 cms 14 Thunder Black or Storm Grey chassis and powered by Intel 13th Gen Intel Core i7 processors. AC adapter 65 watts Type-C. Processor 13th generation Intel Core i7 1360p. Memory 16GB DDR5. Storage 512GB SSD PCIe Gen 4. Graphic card. Integrated Intel UHD graphics. Keyboard backlit, black, English, US. Perfectly packaged. With abundant memory and storage plus ultra-performance mode, your productivity will soar. You'll also enjoy unrivaled connectivity with multiple USB and Thunderbolt 4 ports, and the rapid charge battery will enable you to work from almost anywhere. Multiple WWAN and WLAN options support your performance, ease of use, and connectivity. Display: 35.56 cms 14 WUXGA 1920x1200. IPS, anti-glare, non-touch, 45% NTSC, 300 nits, 60 Hz, narrow bezel. Fingerprint reader. User-facing speakers. Battery 4-cell Li polymer 52.5 watt-hours. Rapid charge supported with 65W or higher AC adapter. With numerous independent software vendor (ISV) certifications. The ThinkPad P14s Gen 4/14 Intel mobile workstation performs your favorite applications such as AutoCAD, Revit, SolidWorks, and many more seamlessly. It is also built to last in any environment, meeting multiple mil-spec testing standards as well as passing more than 200 Lenovo quality tests.